Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the website. This is a list of suggestions how you should use the video. The notes for this video can be found here at this URL, which is loaded here. Okay, we have started the creation of the website, which is loaded here, and the two files are loaded here. So the first thing we want to do is probably change the background color. So I'm going to quickly put a code here. So we say that we are going to have the font for the body and the color of the background, and we use background image. Okay, we need that background image from our previous work. So our background image was in HTML with design images, I think. Copy the background JPEG. Right click copy, move down to 32, images, and do a paste. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Do a file save all. Come over here and reload. So we have our background color set, and we have our background image that we did in the previous step. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make it look like that, and we are going to use Bootstrap framework. So let me just quickly bring out the Bootstrap framework grid system here. Okay, and grid system talks about using different kind of prefix classes for different screen resolution. Note that this is version 4. Beta is different from version 3. So the name is slightly different. Okay. All right. Before I move on, I want to add a couple of things into the style.css file. That is, we are going to put all the links here before the body, so that when we first link will have no images, just in case some browsers add images to it, and then all the different link colors. Okay, these colors actually I follow the work done in color palette. Okay. And then make changes from there. So it's just not actually coming out randomly. We just take the color from the color palette. I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to open the color palette file because it takes forever. Okay, let's do a file save. And come over here and do a reload. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to define the semantic tags for the website. So we come over here and we are going to divide the website into header, navigation, main, and footer. So 4 parts. Okay, so let's do that. So we have our header, and we have our navigation, main, and footer. Okay, so we are ready to go. So put in the header, navigation, main, and footer. Okay, save your work. Before we move on to put a header, it's a good place to actually do a little bit of checking to make sure your code is correct. So one way to do that is to come over here there is something called the W3C markup validator. This is to use to validate your HTML file. This is to validate your CSS file. Let's try to validate the HTML file. Click on that. Validate by file upload. Go to your C drive. 10. Web design. 32. Index. Do a check. You should see no error here. If you see error, you have to go back to your file and start changing things. Okay, that means you made a mistake. All right, let's validate the CSS file. Same thing. This is CSS. Well, this is HTML. Just make sure you use the correct validator. Browse. C. 10. Web design. 32. CSS. Style.css. You should see no error here. If you have any error, you should go back and fix the code in your CSS file. Okay. All right. In the next step, we are going to put in the header here. I think that is a good place to stop for this video. So in the next video, we are going to put in a header to make it look like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.